Watch out! Good thing it was just a dream. I need new brakes. You're watching Midlife Mods. That's right, it's brake day. I'm back here at Ingolstadt West in Canoga Park, California with my friend Oliver from Warhammer Motorsports. And we're about to install some 034 Motorsport rotors and stainless steel brake lines on my S4. We're also going to be installing some Carbotech pads and some race brake fluid so that we can keep things nice and cool at our Laguna Seca track day. Check out these brake rotors from 034 Motorsport. The 034 Motorsport rotor is 350 millimeters by 34 millimeters, and it's two pieces, meaning the outer or rotor piece can be replaced without having to replace the center hub. This rotor weighs in at approximately 21.25 pounds, and each rotor reduces rotational weight by 6.65 pounds per corner over the factory rotors, which are 27.9 pounds. On top of that, there are 72 directional curved vanes that forcefully flow cool air through the rotor to dissipate heat. Time to get these things installed.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So these are the OEM brakes that we're going to be replacing. I should say brake rotors as well as pads. But I do want to give a quick shout out to Audi. I've put these brakes through a lot, several track days, a lot of canyon runs. I have not been kind to them, and they're holding up great. So nice job, Audi. Every time I make one of these videos, I inevitably get comments saying something like, when are you gonna install your own parts, or something like that. Look, I'm not a mechanic, I've never claimed to be, but I love driving and I love modifying my car, so I leave it to the professionals, like Oliver here. And for those of you who are thinking about doing this at home, hey, if you know how to do it, great. But if you don't, I just want to warn you, there's a lot of work going into this brake upgrade. And this isn't a brake upgrade tutorial, so I'm just going to show you the highlights, and you're just going to have to subscribe and tune in to see how these brakes perform at Laguna Seca.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
And while we're here, I'm going to be replacing my stock rubber brake hoses with these performance-minded stainless steel braided lines from the 034 Motorsport. Now, unlike the stock rubber hose, the stainless steel braided hose will not bulge or expand with brake pressure. So this results in improved pedal feel and more consistent braking performance, especially on the track. After 3 hours or so,
2.5, yeah.
2.5 hours, Oliver successfully changed the rotors, all four, the brake pads, all four, flushed the brake fluid, and replaced it with some of this Motul for track day. And I think she's much more ready for Laguna Seca now. Another successful mod brought to you by 034 Motorsport and Warhammer Motorsport. Okay, so I'm sure you want to know, how do they feel? Well, driving around town, they feel great. The pedal is super responsive. The brakes bite really quickly. I feel like the stopping power is improved. But the true test is going to be at Laguna Seca, because I'm going to be lapping the car for 20-minute sessions, and that's really going to be the test of how well these rotors dissipate heat, how well the pads stand up under repeated braking in a track environment, and the stainless steel brake lines and the brake fluid, we're going to see how they stand up to that excessive heat on the racetrack. Aside from performance, I mean, check out these brakes. They look amazing.
Thank you for watching Midlife Mods.